In the Cosmetic Formulation laboratories, where aesthetics and science interlace, Gzier's Mix Mini Vortex Mixer stands as a monument to exactitude and sophistication. Visualize a formulator, integrating hues and emollients with surgeon-like accuracy. The Mix Mini Vortex Mixer, W. With its finely calibrated mixing operation, certifies that every compound is homogenized to flawlessness, pivotal for contriving superior cosmetics that adhere to stringent benchmarks. Gzier, a distinguished producer with a 10-year background in manufacturing laboratory mechanics, Ms. introduces you to the Mix Mini Vortex Mixer. Our pledge to preeminence is conspicuous in every creation, devised to satisfy the stringent requisites of cosmetic formulators and evaluators. This mixer is no disparity, offering a fusion of performance and reliability unparalleled. For a fleeting period, Gzier is extending a unique promotion on the Mix Mini Vortex Mixer. Amplify your formulation and assessment proficiencies, and capitalize on this singular inducement. To acquire additional insights and confirm your unit, you can contact me through my home e-page email address to learn more about the product. Revel in the divergence Gzier instigates in manifesting your cosmetic innovations.